Hello, my friends. Get ready for a dazzling light show in the night sky. This December, the Geminids meteor shower is back, and it's going to be amazing. Imagine colorful streaks of light like tiny fireballs zooming across the sky. That's what you can expect to see. This video will tell you everything you need to know about the Geminids. We'll explore what causes this amazing shower, when and where to see it, and how to get the best view. We'll also share some fun facts about meteors and why the Geminids are so special. So mark your calendars and prepare to be amazed. This is a celestial event you won't want to miss. It's a shower of shooting stars that seem to radiate from the Gemini constellation, hence the name Geminids. But these aren't actually stars falling from the sky. They're tiny pieces of dust and debris left behind by a mysterious object called 3200 Phaethon. Now here's where things get interesting. Unlike most meteor showers caused by icy comets, Phaethon is an asteroid, a rocky object. Scientists aren't entirely sure why it leaves behind a debris trail like a comet, but one theory is that it might be an extinct comet that has lost most of its ice. As Earth travels through this debris trail every December, these tiny particles slam into our atmosphere at high speeds and burn up, creating the fiery streaks we see as meteors. The Geminids are special because they are often very bright and colorful, and they can occur at a high rate, sometimes up to 120 meteors per hour. So, when you watch the Geminids, you're not just seeing a beautiful light show, you're witnessing the remnants of a mysterious asteroid as they interact with our planet's atmosphere. One of the coolest things about the Geminid meteor shower is their dazzling display of colors. While most meteors appear white, Geminids often burst with vibrant hues of yellow, orange, green, blue, and even red. Imagine a sky filled with colorful shooting stars. It's a sight you won't forget. But why are Geminids so colorful? It all comes down to the ingredients. These meteors are made of tiny bits of rock and metal from an asteroid called 3200 Phaethon. When these particles hit Earth's atmosphere at incredible speeds, they get super hot and glow. Different metals create different colors as they burn up. For example, sodium gives off a yellow light, while magnesium creates green and calcium makes purple. The speed at which the meteors enter the atmosphere also plays a role. Faster meteors tend to burn brighter and produce more intense colors. And because Geminids are relatively slow-moving, they have more time to heat up and show off their vibrant hues. So when you watch the Geminids, you're not just seeing a meteor shower, you're witnessing a spectacular chemistry experiment in the sky. One of the biggest reasons the Geminids are such a popular meteor shower is their incredible meteor rate. Under perfect dark skies, you could see up to 120 meteors per hour during the peak. That's like seeing 2 shooting stars every minute. It's like a celestial fireworks display, and you won't have to wait long between each bright streak of light. This high rate is due to a few factors. First, the debris trail left behind by the asteroid 3200 Phaethon is quite dense, meaning there are a lot of particles for Earth to plow through. Second, the Geminids are relatively slow-moving meteors, so they don't burn up as quickly in our atmosphere. This gives you a better chance to spot them. Even if you're not in a perfect viewing location, you're still likely to see a good number of Geminids. Even with some light pollution, you can still expect to see a decent show. Unlike some meteor showers that are only visible for a brief period, the Geminids are a real treat for stargazers because they last for several days. This shower typically starts around December 4th and continues until December 17th, giving you plenty of opportunities to catch the show. So why do the Geminids last so long? It's all thanks to the wide and dense debris trail left behind by the asteroid 3200 Phaethon. As Earth journeys through this trail, it takes a few days to completely pass through all the dust and particles. This means you don't have to worry about missing the peak night, as you'll still have a good chance of seeing meteors on the days before and after. Even if you're busy on the peak night of December 13th, you can still step outside on another night and try your luck. The number of meteors might be slightly less, but you're still in for a celestial treat, so keep your eyes on the sky throughout mid-December and enjoy the Geminids' extended performance. One of the reasons the Geminids meteor shower is so special is that it's a global event. Unlike some meteor showers that favor one hemisphere over the other, the Geminids can be seen from almost anywhere on Earth. This is because the path of the asteroid 3200 Phaethon, which creates the debris trail responsible for the Geminids, is well aligned with Earth's orbit. Whether you live in the northern or southern hemisphere, you have a chance to witness this dazzling display. Of course, the view might be slightly different depending on your location. In the northern hemisphere, the radiant, which is the point from which the meteors appear to originate, will be higher in the sky, meaning you might see more meteors. But even in the southern hemisphere, the Geminids are still a beautiful sight to behold. So, no matter where you are on the planet, make sure to look up to the night sky in December and enjoy the show. This is one celestial event that unites stargazers from all over the world. The Geminids meteor shower, one of the most dazzling displays of the year, is expected to peak on the nights of December 13th and 14th, 2024. That's when you'll have the best chance of seeing the most meteors streaking across the sky. But here's the good news. The Geminids are active for over a week, from December 4th to 17th. So even if you can't catch the peak on those specific nights, you can still enjoy the show for several days before and after. Plus, with less moonlight interference on nights further from the full moon, you might even spot some fainter meteors that you wouldn't see during the peak. So, whether you're free on the peak nights or not, don't miss the opportunity to witness this celestial spectacle. The Geminids are a true gift from the cosmos, and the more nights you spend under the stars, the more chances you'll have to catch those magical shooting stars. Technically, the peak of the Geminids is predicted for the night of December 13th into the morning of the 14th. That's when you'll have the highest chance of seeing the most meteors. However, there's a catch. The moon will be almost full that night, which will wash out the fainter meteors. But don't despair. Even with the moonlight, the Geminids are known for producing many bright meteors, so you're still in for a show. The best strategy is to start watching in the late evening of December 13th and continue into the morning of the 14th. The later you stay up, the higher the radiant, the point from which the meteors appear to come from, will be in the sky, increasing your chances of seeing more shooting stars. While these meteors appear to shoot out from the constellation Gemini, you don't have to be an astronomy expert to find them. The Geminids are a treat for stargazers because they're visible across the globe. No matter where you are, you should be able to see them streaking across the night sky. The key is to find a spot with the darkest skies possible. City lights can drown out the fainter meteors, so head to a park, a field, or even your backyard if it's away from streetlights. Once you've found your perfect viewing spot, simply look up. You don't need to stare directly at the Gemini constellation, as the meteors will appear to radiate from there, but streak across the entire sky. Give your eyes time to adjust to the darkness, and you'll soon start seeing those bright flashes of light. If you're feeling adventurous, you can use a stargazing app or a star chart to locate the Gemini constellation. It's easily recognizable by its two bright stars, Castor and Pollux. But even if you don't find it, don't worry. Just relax, look up and enjoy the show. The Geminids won't disappoint. Tips for viewing the Geminids. Find a dark location. Light pollution can significantly diminish the number of meteors you see. Get away from city lights and find a dark spot with a clear view of the sky. Dress warmly. December nights can be chilly, so bundle up in warm clothes, hats, gloves, and scarves. Get comfortable. Bring a blanket or reclining chair so you can lie back and relax while watching the show. Be patient. It takes about 20 minutes for your eyes to adjust to the darkness. Once they do, you'll start to see more meteors. No telescope needed. Meteor showers are best seen with the naked eye. Binoculars can be helpful for seeing fainter meteors, but they limit your field of view. The Geminids meteor shower is a relatively young celestial event, first observed in the mid-1800s. Back then, it wasn't nearly as impressive as it is today, producing only a handful of meteors per hour. But over time, the Geminids have grown in intensity, now dazzling us with a much higher rate of shooting stars. This change is partly due to the gravitational influence of Jupiter, which is slowly nudging the asteroid 3200 Phaethon, the source of the Geminids, closer to Earth. As Phaethon gets closer, it sheds more debris, resulting in a more spectacular meteor shower for us to enjoy. Scientists have been studying the Geminids to unlock the secrets of this unique asteroid. Unlike most meteor showers that come from icy comets, the Geminids originate from a rocky asteroid. This has puzzled astronomers for decades, and they're still working to understand how Phaethon produces such a dense and vibrant debris stream. By analyzing the composition of Geminid meteors, researchers are gaining valuable insights into the makeup of asteroids and the early solar system. The minerals found in these tiny space rocks can tell us about the conditions that existed billions of years ago when our solar system was forming. The Geminids continue to be a source of fascination and discovery for scientists, providing a unique opportunity to study the evolution of our solar system and the intriguing objects that inhabit it. Don't miss out on this celestial spectacle. The Geminids meteor shower is a breathtaking display of nature's power and beauty. Don't miss your chance to witness this celestial event in 2024. Gather your loved ones and prepare to be amazed by the magic of the night sky. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and share the video, and please do not forget to subscribe for more videos.